My dear students, welcome back to our channel. Students, in this video I am explaining MBA third semester, subject E-Global Business, short important questions, unit wise one by one. Let's start with first unit. First question is E-Global Business. E-Global Business refers to conducting business activities through digital platforms on a global scale, utilizing the internet and other digital technologies to connect, communicate, and conduct transactions across international borders. This business model leverages digital tools and global networks to serve customers, suppliers, and partners worldwide, regardless of geographical limitations. Example of E-Global Business. Amazon is a prime example of an e-global business. Amazon operates its e-commerce platform worldwide, allowing customers from various countries to browse, purchase, and receive products. Its global presence is powered by a combination of localized websites, digital payment systems, international shipping logistics, and cloud computing services, AWS. The company's ability to operate across borders without the need for physical stores in every country makes it a prime example of e-global business. Next question is e-commerce. E-commerce, electronic commerce, refers to the buying and selling of goods and services over the internet. It encompasses a wide range of online business activities, including retail, wholesale, auctions, online banking, and digital services. E-commerce relies on digital transactions and platforms that facilitate product listings, customer interactions, payments, and deliveries. Example of e-commerce. Alibaba is an example of a large e-commerce platform. Alibaba connects buyers and sellers globally, offering everything from wholesale goods to consumer products. The platform enables businesses and individuals to order large quantities of products from suppliers, handle secure payments through digital systems, and arrange for shipping. Alibaba's ecosystem includes tools for manufacturers, retailers, and consumers to interact seamlessly online, illustrating a comprehensive e-commerce experience. Next question is digital economy. Digital economy refers to an economy that is based on digital technologies, including the internet, digital communication networks, and digital platforms, to drive economic activities. In a digital economy, the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services are largely dependent on digital tools, data, and technologies. The digital economy includes everything from e-commerce and online services to digital payments and cloud computing, transforming how businesses, governments, and individuals interact. Example of the digital economy. Uber is a prime example of the digital economy. Uber operates through a digital platform, its app, that connects passengers with drivers. The business relies on digital technologies for booking, payment processing, and route optimization. It also uses data to match drivers with passengers efficiently and uses digital feedback for quality control. Uber's model shows how the digital economy uses internet-based platforms to create new business models, bypass traditional industries like taxi services, and offer services directly to consumers through mobile devices. Next question is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think, learn, and problem-solve like humans. AI systems use algorithms and data to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. Over time, AI systems can improve their performance by learning from data, a process known as machine learning. Example of AI. Siri, Apple's virtual assistant, is a well-known example of AI. Siri uses natural language processing, NLP, to understand and respond to voice commands. It can set reminders, send messages, provide weather updates, and more based on user requests. Siri continuously improves its understanding through machine learning, making it more accurate in recognizing speech and context over time. In this case, Siri uses AI to interpret spoken language and perform tasks that typically require human intervention, showcasing how AI can be applied in everyday life. Next question is digital space. Digital space refers to the virtual or online environment where digital interactions, activities, and communications occur. It includes everything from websites, social media platforms, online communities, cloud storage, and virtual meetings to the broader internet-based systems that enable digital technologies to function. In a digital space, individuals and organizations connect, share information, collaborate, conduct business, and engage in various online activities. Example of digital space. Facebook is an example of a digital space. As a social media platform, Facebook serves as a virtual environment where users interact, share content, communicate, and engage with other people and businesses. It connects users worldwide and allows them to participate in a variety of activities, from messaging and posting updates to joining groups and engaging in events. The platform is entirely based in the digital space, where all interactions, connections, and data sharing happen online. In this case, Facebook is not just a tool but a comprehensive digital space where users create profiles, form relationships, and contribute to a global network of digital interactions. Next question is customer engagement. Customer engagement refers to the ongoing interaction between a company and its customers, designed to build long-term relationships, foster loyalty, and encourage positive experiences. It involves creating meaningful and personalized interactions that keep customers involved with the brand, whether through communication, feedback, or participation in the brand's offerings. Customer engagement can occur through various channels, such as social media, email, customer service, loyalty programs, and in-person experiences. It focuses on emotional connections, trust building, and delivering value that keeps customers coming back. Example of customer engagement. Starbucks is a great example of customer engagement. The brand has built strong engagement with its customers through its Starbucks Rewards program, a loyalty program where customers earn points, stars, for every purchase. The program offers personalized rewards, such as free drinks or discounts based on customer preferences. Additionally, Starbucks engages with customers through its mobile app, where customers can customize their orders, track rewards, and receive personalized offers. Through these efforts, Starbucks fosters a sense of community, making customers feel valued and involved in the brand's ecosystem, encouraging them to continue engaging with Starbucks. The result is higher customer loyalty and greater brand advocacy. Unit 2. Next second unit first question is B2C. B2C, business to consumer, refers to the type of transaction or business model in which a business sells products or services directly to individual consumers. This is the most common business model, especially in retail and e-commerce, where companies target the general public as their customers. In B2C transactions, the business is the seller and the consumer is the buyer. Example of B2C. Amazon is a prime example of a B2C business. Amazon operates an online marketplace where consumers can browse and purchase a wide range of products, from books to electronics to household items. The company directly sells to consumers and even offers digital services like streaming, Amazon Prime, and cloud computing. The business model centers on providing a seamless and convenient shopping experience for individual customers around the world. In this case, Amazon serves as the business, B, and its customers are the individual consumers, C, engaging in direct transactions online. Next question is C2C. C2C, consumer to consumer, refers to a business model in which consumers sell products or services directly to other consumers. This model typically occurs through online platforms or marketplaces that facilitate transactions between individuals. C2C businesses enable users to create listings, negotiate prices, and complete transactions with each other, often providing a secure environment for payments and exchanges. Example of C2C. eBay is a well-known example of a C2C platform. On eBay, individual consumers can sell new or used items, such as clothing, electronics, or collectibles, directly to other consumers. The platform provides a marketplace where users can list items for sale, set their prices, or auction them, and complete transactions via secure payment systems. eBay facilitates the transaction by offering tools like product listings, payment processing, and shipping options, but does not own the items being sold. In this example, eBay serves as the intermediary platform, but the core transactions, selling and buying, are conducted directly between consumers. Next question is e-marketplaces. E-marketplaces, electronic marketplaces, are online platforms that facilitate the buying and selling of goods and services between multiple buyers and sellers. These platforms provide a digital environment where businesses or individuals can list products, negotiate prices, and complete transactions. E-marketplaces can operate on a B2C, business-to-consumer, B2B, business-to-business, or C2C, consumer-to-consumer model. Example of e-marketplaces. Amazon is one of the largest and most well-known e-marketplaces globally. While Amazon itself sells products directly, it also allows third-party sellers to list and sell products on its platform. Consumers can browse a vast selection of products from different sellers, compare prices, read reviews, and make purchases all on one platform. Amazon facilitates payment processing, shipping, through its fulfillment services and customer service, ensuring a seamless shopping experience. The e-marketplace acts as an intermediary, connecting multiple sellers with buyers in a single online space, making transactions easy and efficient. Next question is digital marketing. Digital marketing refers to the use of digital channels, platforms, and technologies to promote and advertise products or services to a targeted audience. It involves a variety of online marketing strategies such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, online advertising, and influencer marketing. Digital marketing leverages the internet and electronic devices to reach and engage potential customers in ways that are cost-effective and measurable. Example of digital marketing. Nike is a great example of a company that excels in digital marketing. Nike uses a combination of social media marketing, influencer collaborations, email campaigns, and online advertising to reach its audience. For instance, Nike partners with athletes and influencers on Instagram to promote new products, shares workout and motivational content through its Nike Training Club app, and uses targeted ads on Google and social media platforms to engage potential customers. Next question is e-customer relationship management. E-customer relationship management, ECRM, refers to the use of digital tools, platforms, and technologies to manage and improve a company's interactions with its customers. ECRM is an online version of traditional customer relationship management (CRM), and it focuses on gathering customer data through digital channels, analyzing that data, and using it to personalize interactions, enhance customer satisfaction, and increase loyalty. ECRM utilizes the internet, email, social media, mobile apps, and other online tools to engage with customers effectively. Example of ECRM. Amazon is a prime example of effective ECRM. Amazon collects vast amounts of data about customers' browsing habits, purchase history, and preferences, and uses this data to personalize their shopping experience. For example, personalized recommendations. Based on past purchases and browsing history, Amazon suggests products to customers when they visit the site or in follow-up emails. Next question is influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is a form of marketing where businesses partner with individuals, influencers, who have a large, engaged following on social media or other digital platforms. These influencers promote a brand's products, services, or messages to their audience, leveraging their credibility and reach to influence purchasing decisions or raise brand awareness. Example of influencer marketing. For example, a well-known influencer like Kylie Jenner has posted wearing Fashion Nova, which has resulted in millions of impressions and sales, showcasing the power of influencer marketing in reaching a wide audience. Through influencer marketing, Fashion Nova leverages the trust and influence of these social media personalities to promote its products authentically, making it an essential part of their marketing strategy. Next question is online communities. Online communities refer to groups of people who interact, share information, and engage with each other over the internet, typically around common interests, goals, or topics. These communities are formed on social media platforms, forums, or specialized websites where members communicate through posts, comments, discussions, and sometimes live interactions. The primary goal of online communities is to create a space for individuals to connect and support each other, whether for social, professional, or interest-based purposes. Example of online communities. Facebook groups. Facebook allows users to create groups around specific topics, interests, or causes. For instance, there are Facebook groups for fitness enthusiasts, parents, hobbyists, or professionals in a particular industry, where members can share experiences, advice, or ask questions. Unit 3. Next, third unit first question is e-commerce international trade. E-commerce international trade refers to the buying and selling of goods and services between businesses or consumers in different countries using online platforms and digital technologies. This type of trade leverages e-commerce websites, online marketplaces, and digital payment systems to facilitate cross-border transactions, making it easier for businesses to reach international markets and for consumers to access products from around the world. Example of e-commerce international trade. Alibaba is a well-known example of e-commerce international trade. The platform connects suppliers, mainly from China, with buyers worldwide. A small business in the United States can use Alibaba to purchase bulk products, like electronics or clothing, from manufacturers in China. The transaction takes place entirely online, with secure payments and global shipping options. Through Alibaba's platform, buyers can easily compare prices, read reviews, and negotiate with suppliers, while sellers have access to a global customer base. Next question is cross-cultural management. Cross-cultural management refers to the process of managing and navigating the differences in culture, values, and behaviors among people from different countries or cultural backgrounds within a business or organization. It involves understanding and respecting cultural diversity, and it aims to create an environment where employees or teams from various cultural backgrounds can work together effectively, communicate well, and contribute to the organization's goals. Example of cross-cultural management. For example, in India, where a significant portion of the population does not eat beef or pork due to religious reasons, McDonald's has adapted its menu to offer vegetarian options like the Makalu Tikki burger, made from potatoes. In Japan, McDonald's has introduced unique items like the teriyaki burger to appeal to local tastes and preferences. This approach has helped the brand maintain its global success while respecting the diversity of the regions in which it operates. Next question is intellectual property rights, IPR. Intellectual property rights, IPR, refer to the legal protections granted to creators, inventors, and businesses for their inventions, designs, brand names, works of art, and other intangible assets. These rights give the creators or owners the exclusive right to use, produce, distribute, or sell their intellectual property for a certain period of time, thereby preventing unauthorized use by others. Example of intellectual property rights. Apple Incorporated is a prime example of how intellectual property rights are used. Apple holds numerous patents related to the design and functionality of its products, such as the iPhone. These patents protect Apple's innovations, like the unique design of its devices or specific technological features, example, the touch screen functionality or the use of specific microprocessors. In this way, Apple uses a combination of patents, trademarks, and copyrights to protect its intellectual property, secure its competitive position in the market, and ensure that its innovations are not used without permission. Next question is cloud computing. Cloud computing refers to the delivery of computing services such as servers, storage, databases, networking, software, and analytics over the internet, the cloud. Instead of owning and maintaining physical servers and other hardware, organizations or individuals can rent or lease these resources from cloud service providers. Cloud computing allows users to access these services on demand, scaling up or down as needed, and typically on a pay-as-you-go basis. Example of cloud computing. Google Drive is a popular example of cloud computing. It provides cloud-based storage and file management services where users can store documents, photos, videos, and other files online. Instead of saving files on a local hard drive, users can access their files from any device with an internet connection. Google Drive also allows collaboration, enabling multiple users to work on the same document in real time. This is made possible by the cloud infrastructure that Google manages, providing scalable and secure storage for millions of users. Next question is supply chain sustainability. Supply chain sustainability refers to the management of supply chain processes in a way that considers not only economic factors but also environmental and social impacts. It involves sourcing, producing, and distributing goods and services in a manner that minimizes negative environmental effects, supports fair labor practices, and ensures the long-term viability of resources. The goal of supply chain sustainability is to create value for businesses while minimizing harm to the environment and society, ensuring that resources are available for future generations. Example of supply chain sustainability. Unilever is an example of a company that has successfully integrated sustainability into its supply chain. The company has committed to sourcing sustainable materials for its products, such as using sustainably sourced palm oil, tea, and paper. Unilever also works with its suppliers to improve energy efficiency and reduce carbon emissions throughout its supply chain. Unit 4. Next fourth unit first question is E-Global Business Strategy. E-Global Business Strategy refers to a comprehensive plan or approach adopted by businesses to leverage digital technologies, online platforms, and the Internet to expand their reach, engage with international markets, and optimize operations on a global scale. This strategy involves utilizing e-commerce, digital marketing, online customer service, and supply chain management tools to create a global presence and cater to a diverse set of customers across various countries. It combines traditional business strategies with digital innovation to take advantage of the opportunities provided by globalization and the digital economy. Example of E-Global Business Strategy. Netflix is a great example of a company that has successfully implemented an e-global business strategy. Initially starting in the US as a DVD rental service, Netflix shifted its business model to online streaming, which allowed the company to expand its operations globally. Through this e-global business strategy, Netflix has successfully established itself as a leading player in the global entertainment industry, offering a personalized and accessible experience to users around the world, while adapting to local tastes and cultural differences. Next question is data analytics. Data analytics refers to the process of inspecting, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data to discover useful information, draw conclusions, and support decision-making. It involves the use of statistical and computational techniques to analyze data, uncover patterns, trends, and relationships, and make data-driven decisions. Data analytics is used across industries to improve performance, predict outcomes, and enhance business strategies. Example of data analytics. Predictive analytics. Amazon uses machine learning models to predict future customer behavior. For example, it predicts what products a customer is likely to buy based on their browsing history and past purchases, and then uses this data to offer personalized recommendations. In this example, Amazon's data analytics process helps the company make informed business decisions, improve customer satisfaction, optimize inventory management, and ultimately drive sales growth. The use of data at every stage of the customer journey, such as understanding preferences and predicting future needs, gives Amazon a competitive edge in the retail market. Next question is business intelligence. Business intelligence, BI, refers to the use of technologies, tools, and practices to collect, analyze, and present business data to help organizations make informed decisions. BI involves the process of transforming raw data into meaningful insights through data analysis, reporting, dashboards, and data visualization. The goal of business intelligence is to provide actionable information that helps businesses improve their performance, optimize processes, and stay competitive. Example of business intelligence. Walmart is a great example of a company using business intelligence to optimize its operations and improve decision-making. Sales forecasting. Walmart uses BI tools to analyze historical sales data, customer buying patterns, and seasonal trends. With this information, Walmart can predict which products will be in high demand, helping them manage inventory more effectively. Next question is competitive analysis. Competitive analysis refers to the process of assessing and evaluating the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats posed by current and potential competitors in the market. It involves studying the strategies, products, market position, and performance of competitors to understand how they affect the business and identify opportunities for growth or improvement. Competitive analysis helps businesses develop strategies to gain a competitive advantage by learning from the successes and mistakes of their rivals. Example of competitive analysis. Coca-Cola versus Pepsi is a classic example of competitive analysis in the beverage industry. In this example, both Coca-Cola and Pepsi use competitive analysis to refine their strategies. Coca-Cola might respond by strengthening its digital marketing efforts to appeal to younger consumers, while Pepsi could focus on enhancing its global presence in markets where Coca-Cola is dominant. Through this ongoing competitive analysis, both companies continue to adjust their strategies to maintain or improve their positions in the market. Next question is personalization through machine learning. Personalization through machine learning refers to the use of machine learning algorithms to analyze user data and deliver customized experiences, recommendations, or content to individual users. By learning from user interactions, behaviors, preferences, and historical data, machine learning models can predict what a user may be interested in and tailor the experience accordingly. Personalization aims to improve user satisfaction, increase engagement, and drive conversions by offering more relevant content or services. Example of personalization through machine learning. Netflix is a great example of personalization through machine learning. Through personalization, Netflix enhances the user experience by providing content that is more relevant to individual preferences, increasing the likelihood of user engagement and retention. By continuously analyzing user behavior, machine learning models improve their accuracy and help deliver a more tailored and enjoyable experience. Next question is voice search optimization. Voice search optimization refers to the process of optimizing digital content, websites, or apps so that they can be easily found and accessed through voice search queries. As voice-activated devices like smart speakers, example, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and virtual assistants, example, Siri, become increasingly popular, more people are using voice commands to search for information, make purchases, and interact with digital platforms. Voice search optimization focuses on adapting traditional search engine optimization (SEO) practices to ensure that content ranks well when users perform voice searches. Example of voice search optimization. Domino's Pizza is an example of a company leveraging voice search optimization. Through integrations with voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, Domino's allows customers to place pizza orders using voice commands. By optimizing for voice search, Domino's makes it easier for users to interact with their services through voice commands, enhancing customer convenience and streamlining the ordering process. Next fifth unit first question is machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, AI, that allows computers to learn from and make predictions or decisions based on data without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning algorithms use statistical methods to identify patterns in data and then use these patterns to make predictions or decisions when new, unseen data is introduced. It involves the creation of models that can improve over time as they are exposed to more data. Example of machine learning. Spam email detection, supervised learning. An example of machine learning is how email services, like Gmail, detect spam emails. By using machine learning, Gmail can automatically filter out spam, making it easier for users to manage their inboxes and enhancing the overall user experience. Next question is blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is a decentralized, distributed digital ledger that securely records transactions across multiple computers in a way that prevents tampering or alteration. Each block in the chain contains a list of transactions, and these blocks are linked or chained together in chronological order. Blockchain operates in a way that allows multiple parties to verify and share data without a central authority or intermediary, ensuring transparency, security, and trust. Example of blockchain technology. Bitcoin. One of the most well-known applications of blockchain technology is Bitcoin, a decentralized digital currency. Blockchain technology enables secure, transparent, and tamper-proof transactions without needing a trusted third party like a bank, revolutionizing the way digital currencies work and making them more secure and efficient. Next question is smart speakers. Smart speakers are voice-activated devices that allow users to interact with technology through spoken commands. These speakers are integrated with virtual assistants, such as Amazon's Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple's Siri, and can perform various tasks, including playing music, setting reminders, controlling smart home devices, providing weather updates, and answering questions. Example of smart speakers. Amazon Echo. Virtual assistant. The Amazon Echo uses Alexa as its virtual assistant. You can ask Alexa to play music, answer questions, set timers, check the weather, control compatible smart home devices, and more, all via voice commands. Example command: Alexa, play some relaxing music, or Alexa, turn off the lights. Smart speakers offer convenience, hands-free control, and integration with various services and devices, making them popular choices for modern homes. Next question is virtual reality. Virtual reality, VR, is a technology that creates a simulated, immersive environment, often experienced through a headset or specialized equipment, where users can interact with and explore a 3D world as if they were physically present in it. VR typically uses sensory inputs like visual, auditory, and sometimes tactile feedback to create a fully immersive experience. It has applications in gaming, education, healthcare, design, and more. Example of virtual reality. Oculus Rift in gaming. The Oculus Rift is a popular virtual reality headset used primarily for gaming and entertainment. When a player wears the Oculus Rift, they are immersed in a 3D virtual world that reacts to their head movements and input. In this example, VR technology offers users an immersive, interactive experience that is highly engaging and realistic, whether for entertainment, training, or other applications. Next question is augmented reality. Augmented reality, AR, is a technology that overlays digital content, such as images, sounds, or information, onto the real world in real time. Unlike virtual reality, which creates an entirely immersive virtual environment, AR enhances the user's perception of the real world by superimposing digital elements onto their surroundings. AR can be experienced through devices like smartphones, tablets, AR glasses, or headsets. Example of augmented reality. Pokémon Go. Pokémon Go is a popular mobile game that uses augmented reality to merge the digital and real worlds. Players use their smartphones to search for and catch virtual Pokémon, which are superimposed onto the real world through the phone's camera and screen.